Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the WE Knives Practic. This is a flipper with liner lock knife, and spoiler alert, it's a great knife. It's really nice. Overall length is 7.5 inches, blade length 3.3 inches of Bowler M390 steel. Great steel choice, and at a great price point, I might add. Handle length is 4.2 inches, and the handles are G10, OD green on this model. We have other color options as well. This is the tan, and I believe there is a blue. I'm going to correct myself later if I got that wrong. There you have it. It does have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed or left-handed carry, and I believe it's a 3D milled titanium pocket clip. Could be wrong about that, but that's what it looks like. Weight is 3.17 ounces, and here's your tactical clothespin for size comparison. So guys, if you like this knife, which I don't know why you wouldn't, it's a really simple, really elegant, really great action for the flipping. I think you should go ahead and buy one at BladeHQ.com. This is the WE Knives Practic.